Yet even this life below the poverty line had its moments of gaiety. The Puritans hadn't yet come along to kill all Sunday in holy day fun. There's one annual excitement that we know about in great detail. It's the ancient Welsh game of Cnapan, a kind of primitive rugby which used to be played here in this lower Teifi Valley and southwards into Pembrokeshire. That little green patch over there, which looks down onto the Teifi Gorge here near Cilgerran Castle, is still called Parc Cnapan. A certain Dr. Fair, who lived here, wrote in 1603 that he used to sit up there to watch the Cnapan match. What a debenture seat he had. What a God's eye view of the game. How is the game played? With a wooden ball about the size of a reasonable grapefruit. It is made of hard wood, box or crabapple or holly, and boiled in tallow to make it harder to handle. No wonder our boys are so good at handling a greasy ball today. Yes, it was a handling game, played between all the able-bodied men of two parishes or two larger areas, all stripped to the waist to save their shirts and wearing leather breeches. It was a spring and early summer game, played here on Ascension Day and Corpus Christi Day. There was no kick-off. The ball the Cnapan was flung up into the air or tossed down from the cliff top, and they were off, each side trying to pass and carry the Cnapan as far as they could towards their own home base. It was rough, tumultuous, exciting.